I'm haunted by that memory of that idiotic decision that I made that caused this rift between us, that sent me spiraling ever since. I'm realizing that I messed up the best thing that I ever had. And I am so full of regret. I'm so full of pain. I'm so angry at myself. I have no one to blame but myself, and that pisses me off even more. I don't know what to do. I'm mad at myself because I lost you. I pushed you away. I couldn't decide between being the version of me that I knew I should be and the version of me that I had been. I was going back and forth. I was playing the field. I was doing too much. I was doing too much, and at the same time I wasn't doing enough for you, for us. We had the potential to be so good. It was so good in the beginning, wasn't it? And just somewhere along the line, I just started to mess things up one after the other. And then I began to lose confidence. And then I began to feel like a child in the situation, really. And I couldn't break the spiral. I didn't know how to get out of that dynamic in my head, in my emotional space. And I just continued to spiral us. I wanted so bad to make a change, but I didn't know how. I didn't know what to do. And I tried to hold on as long as I could, but I ended up doing what I knew I was going to do, what I was afraid to do. Why I didn't want to get involved in the first place is because I know that everything I touch gets tainted. I ruin everything. And that's no different with you. And the situation that we're in now proves it. But what I did not expect was for me to feel the weight of regret and and I wish it wasn't like this. I want to make a change. I want to I want to be with you. When I'm in my sane moments, when I am in my quiet space, when I can think clearly, I know who I can be. I know who I want to be. And that's the same person you want me to be. I think the thing is, I just got to train myself to be in my zen space, in my clear space. I got to train myself to stay there. Because when I get there now and I see the wreckage of what we used to be, and I see that the cause is me, oh, the worst part is I really wanted it and I sabotaged it anyway. I didn't do right by you. I didn't do right by you at all. And I know I don't deserve a second chance. I don't deserve your forgiveness. I don't deserve anything from you. But I know that I owe you. And I feel compelled. I want to. I desire to make this right between us. I'm just fearful that I won't be given that opportunity. That if I do try to reach out and extend that olive branch, so to speak, and I'm denied, rejected, I don't know what that would do to me, to be completely honest. And I am petrified of that. To know that I am where I have been in my emotional space, in my head space, to know that I've been where I've been, and then to try to reach out and to make amends, and then to be denied that, I don't know what I would do. I can't imagine the pain that I feel now magnified more by not being able to make it right. But I want to so bad, but I fear. I'm just petrified by fear. I don't know what I want. I can't ask you to be the one to reach out to me and ask me if I want to make things right. That would be insane. That would be insane. It's my responsibility to set things right. It's my responsibility to take the initiative. It's my responsibility to buck the fuck up and not be so damn scared. But I can't help feeling this way. I think that me even wanting another opportunity is selfish. I think that me even speaking and saying this to you is selfish. That all I'm trying to do is keep the spotlight on me about how I feel about what happened between us. That's not the case. But I feel that way. And I feel like you feel that way. But that's not the case. I just want to make things right. I want another chance to take everything out of the way that was standing in the way of us being perfect together. And we weren't far off. I know that the main thing is me being more open, more vulnerable. I know that the main thing is me letting you in deeper into me and who I am. I just know that the last couple of times that I've done that, it's been too much to handle for the other person, and then I got abandoned. And that's not a good space for me to be in. You didn't even abandon me in this situation, and I'm all messed up. I did this to myself and I'm still messed up. When somebody else does it to me, it's even more trifling. Oh man, I know that I'm broken. But when I'm with you, I don't feel broken. When I'm with you, I feel great. I feel warm. I feel love. And that's what I want. That's all I want. I just want to earn my way back into you, pouring your love out onto me. That's all I want. And if wanting that is selfish, then I'm selfish. But I want you. I want your love. And I want to do whatever it takes to earn that. All I need you to do is let me know. Tell me what I need to do. I'd do anything. I just don't know what to do myself. I don't know how to fix this. If I did, it would have already been fixed. But it's not, because I don't. And I'm asking for your help. Tell me what to do. Spell it out for me. I'm an idiot. Let me know what to do. Anything you ask, I'll do. I'll follow you to the ends of the earth if you ask me to. But if you tell me to stop, if you tell me to leave you alone, out of the love and respect that I have for you, I will. But out of the newfound respect that I have for myself, I just had to ask. I had to plead with you for a second chance. Let me know. What do you say?